Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce your phone bill, follow these step-by-step instructions to negotiate effectively with carrier retention departments. Step 1. Research competitor offers and current promotional deals. Know what other carriers offer for comparable service, or you can reference specific alternatives during negotiations. Step 2. Call your carrier and specifically ask for the retention or loyalty department. Regular customer service has limited authority, but retention specialists can offer substantial deals. Step 3. Be polite but firm about your intention to switch carriers. Retention teams respond to genuine threats to leave, so prepare to follow through if they don't offer acceptable terms. Step 4. Mention specific competitor offers you're considering. Reference actual plan prices, features, and promotions from other carriers to justify your request for better pricing. Step 5. Emphasize your history as a loyal customer if applicable. Mention how long you've been with the carrier and your good payment history as leverage for discounts. Step 6. Ask specifically for what you want rather than waiting for offers. Request bill credits, plan discounts, device credits, or specific dollar amounts off your monthly charges. Step 7. Be willing to compromise and consider alternative solutions. Retention might offer free upgrades, bonus data, or premium features instead of direct price reductions. Step 8. Get all negotiated terms documented in writing before accepting. Request email confirmation of discounts, credits, or special pricing to protect yourself from billing disputes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.